Welcome back to another video from the Power BI AI agent. In this video, we're comparing Grok 4.1 Fast and Grok 4 Fast. For this test, I'm using a fairly large dataset with just under 96,000 rows. So this is a realistic scenario, rather than a toy example. The analysis focuses on product categories, filtered to Canada. The question for both models is simple but practical. Which product category has the highest total quantity? And how is total quantity distributed across categories, including any notable trends? As always, we're evaluating correctness and speed. Let's start with Grok 4.1 Fast. Grok 4.1 Fast completes its analysis quickly and correctly identifies movie DVD as the top product category. Validating this directly in the data confirms the result. Movie DVDs total 7,749 units, representing about 18% of all quantity, making it the clear leader. The model also highlights other high-volume categories, such as smartphones, touchscreen phones, boxed games, and desktops, which together account for a large share of overall volume. More importantly, the distribution itself makes sense. The data is clearly top-heavy, with entertainment and consumer electronics dominating, while large household appliances contribute relatively little. Grok 4.1 Fast explains this pattern well, noting that high-volume, lower-cost items tend to drive quantity, while big-ticket items appear less frequently. Overall, the analysis is accurate, detailed, and well-structured. Now let's switch to Grok 4 Fast. To keep things fair, I start a fresh chat with no memory and ask the same question. Grok 4 Fast finishes slightly faster. The result is identical. Movie DVD again ranks first with 7,749 units, or roughly 18% of total quantity. The category rankings and distribution match the previous result. The main difference is delivery. Grok 4 Fast is noticeably more concise, capturing the same trends with fewer words. It also uses fewer input tokens, about 20,000 compared to roughly 28,000 for Grok 4.1 Fast, while maintaining the same level of correctness. In practical terms, both models deliver reliable and accurate analysis. Grok 4.1 Fast offers more narrative detail, while Grok 4 Fast provides the same insights faster and more efficiently. The takeaway is that both models perform very well, and the choice comes down to whether you prefer more detailed explanations or leaner, faster responses. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using the Power BI AI agent.